now let's talk about geometric solids. Geometric solids are shapes that take up space. And if a solid has only flat surfaces that are polygons, the solid is called a polyhedron. So whenever we describe a polyhedron, let me draw a cube. Whenever we draw the polyhedron, whenever we talk about it, a face is going to be the flat edge or the flat surface. So like this whole side is a face, right? And so for a cube, if you color all of the sides, there's 6 faces. And so the face is the flat surface, and edge is where 2 of the flat surfaces meet. So this is going to be an edge. So that means for a cube, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges. So, edges, 6 faces, and then a vertex is where 3 or more edges meet. So like the corner. So this is a vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eight vertices, since there's more than one. Alright, so that's how we describe a polyhedron. So a prism is a special kind of polyhedron. It has a constant size of a polygon running through it. So let me switch colors. So if we do this and draw 2, and then oops. So this triangle runs all the way through. It's like you're pulling it across somewhere, and whenever you stop, that makes a prism. So the opposite faces, let's do the green for faces, these opposite faces are what's running through, right? They're the same size going all the way through. And so these determine the name of the prism. So these are triangles, so we call this a triangular prism. So for a rectangular prism, we would draw 2 rectangles. goodness, I can't draw this. To make our rectangular prism, so we're connecting the vertices together, and then we can do, so that's a way to draw them, is just by drawing the same shape twice and then connecting the vertices that correspond to each other. So let's do, for a soccer ball, a geometric solid to describe that would be a sphere. For a tissue box, the rectangular one, it would be a rectangular prism if it's the long tissue box instead of the cube one. And like a can of Pringles would be a cylinder. So one thing that we can do is we can figure out surface area, which is pretty much the faces, right? The surface area, I'm just gonna color these two the same because they're similar size. So say this is a cereal box, you have it laying flat, right? So the surface area would be all of these sides added together, the area of all of them. So we have two of these rectangles, the two blue side rectangles, and then the top and bottom ones. So yeah, if we find the area of each one and add them all together, that'll give us the surface area of the box. So let's find the surface area of a cube. Let me draw this. And so a cube has all the same, so this would be like the cube tissue box. So let's say that this side is 4 centimeters. So since it's a cube, all the sides are 4 centimeters, right? And so we know that doing the area of this is 4 times 4, which is 16 centimeters squared. And there's 6 faces for a cube. So that's going to be 16 times 6. Right? So the surface area is going to be 96 centimeters squared. So we found the area of this first one, the 4 times 4, because it's all the same. That's every single edge is 4 down. So that's 16 for this side, 16 here, so 16 6 times all the way around. You can also add all 16 together, but you'll still get 96. Or add all 6 of the 16s together and you'll still get 96 centimeters squared. But this is geometric solids. So, we have spheres, cylinders, cones, cubes, prisms, pyramids, and then if it's only flat surfaces, it's a polyhedron. And that's it for this lesson. All right, thank you.